Hello everyone, welcome to Mendit Tech. Is your Android phone running slow in 2025? Apps take forever to open, the phone freezes, or gaming feels laggy. Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful hacks that can make your phone feel brand new and super fast, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Here are 3 hacks to make your phone feel new and fast. First, go to Settings Storage. Here you'll see the option to clear cache or junk files. This unnecessary data keeps piling up and slows down your phone. Once you clear it, you'll instantly free up space and notice apps opening faster. Clear cache or junk files. Unnecessary data slows your device. Clearing data-free space, which makes apps load faster. Next, close all those apps running in the background. Even when you're not using them, they still consume RAM and battery. Go to Settings Apps Running Apps and stop the ones you don't need. This step is especially helpful for gaming and multitasking because freeing RAM makes your phone run smoother and faster. Even when not in use, these apps consume RAM and battery power. Finally, here's the hidden trick: reduce animations. Go to Developer Options. If you don't see it, just go to Settings About Phone Tap Filled Number 7 times to unlock it. Inside Developer Options, find Window Animation, Transition Animation, Animator Duration Scale. Set them to 0.5x or turn them off. Now your phone will feel lightning fast high voltage because animations won't slow things down. So that's it. After applying these 3 steps, your phone will feel as good as new. Backhand index pointing eye comment below and let me know how much faster your device feels after trying this. And don't forget to subscribe to Mendit Tech for more easy tech hacks and solutions in 2025.